Let's go ahead and make a new forum and topic and talk through some of the options that you have with that. Let's go to the big blue button, New, and do a new forum. I'm going to name this one Week 3 Discussion. And I don't think I need a description. That's pretty descriptive enough in the title. We have some options here for allowing anonymous messages or having messages to be approved before they're being displayed. These are going to be selections that you make based on your pedagogy and your approach to the discussion. There are times where anonymous messages might make sense. Now, you need to note that even you as the instructor do not know who is writing these messages. They are completely anonymous. For messages that must be approved before they're being displayed, the student will actually receive a message on screen that says that it has successfully posted but needs to be approved, and then you as an instructor go in to read it, and you must approve it by clicking on the box that says it's approved, so it'll be displayed. For availability, we're looking into options for through availability and locking for chronology. The rationale for having a close date or an end date for when a forum is available might be to help you stay on track with your curriculum for your course, keeping on track with chronology. The drawback is that students can't go back and read or contribute to these topics if you close the visibility, the availability of a forum. If it's open, you can always go back and the students can go back and make contributions. If you choose to display it in the calendar, note that it only shows the due date if you have an end date. It doesn't show the open date. For locking, it's pretty similar to availability for visibility, but the difference is that you can lock a forum and students, and you can still read the topics, you just can't contribute to them. So that might be more useful for you if you're still trying to keep the flow of the conversation going in one direction or going towards the other topics of your forum or other fora, that you can still progress throughout the course but can go back and read even if you can't contribute to them. So let's go ahead and save. I'm going to keep mine just completely available all the time and unlocked, and I will click save. That'll make my new forum for week 3 discussion. I'm going to scroll down and close it now. And let's make a new topic for week 3. So week 3 is down here at the bottom. We'll talk about rearranging that too. To make a new topic for week 3 discussion, I could go from the new button and a new topic. I could also go from the action button beside week 3 and add a topic. Couple different ways. There's usually more than one way to do things here. I'll do it from the big blue button just for fun. In that case, if I start from there, I will need to choose which forum I want to put this topic in. We'll go week 3 discussion, and I'll just do a test title, and we'll skip the description for this point. The options that you have here are that you can allow for anonymous messages. Again, in this topic, you can note the messages must be approved. Again, just like for the entire forum, you can make these decisions just based on individual topics. And another option here is that a user must compose a message before participating in the topic. This is an interesting case that could be helpful to instructors depending on your pedagogical approach to using the discussion forum. This can allow you to have students more or less do a reading response, and everyone must write their own response and turn it in and before they can see and comment and interact with the other posts on the topic. This might help you avoid situations where students feel like everything that they wanted to say has already been said. So it is an option to look into, not necessarily going to work for every discussion type. Again, we have the same availability options for visibility and locking, and we also have the opportunity to, if we scroll up to the top, an assessment opportunity in this tab. What that does is you can go to the assessment tab and set it up so that there's a grade item associated with this topic in the grade book. We're not going to do that. We're going to go with our original properties that we've set up, which are pretty basic, but we've talked through some of the options here, and I'll go ahead and click Save. And now I'll close it. I'll go back, and we have now a new forum for week 3 discussion and a new topic, which is the generic title. And I mentioned that I can reorder this. I don't really like it being at the bottom. I want it right after week 2 so I can still have my miscellaneous forum here at the bottom. So to reorder that, we can go up to the More Actions button. More Actions allows us to copy and reorder and also delete. We want to reorder. So I'll go in and I want week 3 discussion to be 3rd in the order. And that automatically made my cafe or miscellaneous forum the last one. I like that, so I'll hit save. And now my week 3 forum is where I wanted to place it.